Bring new life to old patios, decks, and floors with long-lasting and durable Rubberific Pavers. Become your own landscape architect. This dual-sided paver allows you to choose a brick or architectural look by simply turning the paver over. The first step is to measure the area where you will be installing your pavers to be sure there are enough pavers to complete the job. Installation could not be easier. Begin by getting all the tools that you will need, and then thoroughly clean your installation location. For installation on a concrete surface, place a bead of construction adhesive along the perimeter of the paver and gently tap into place. Cut any tiles with a utility knife. Made from 100% recycled rubber, these pavers take only minutes to install for years of maintenance-free beauty. And in no time at all, tired and dreary is transformed into a surface that can rival anyone's backyard oasis in the neighborhood. IMC outdoor living pavers are also available in an 18-inch cobblestone design, a 16-inch blended dual-sided paver, and a 12-inch smooth finish paver.